I'm TJ Lynch for Roatan. Well, it's Sunday morning here, October 24th, and Hurricane Richard has passed us by during the night. In fact, it's still here. And I'm going to take you out and show you a little bit of footage of what 70, 80 mile an hour winds look like here on Roatan.
A little crazy still. Now there's normally about 4 feet under my dock, between the dock and the water. Now there's like about less than a foot. Actually, it's hitting my dock.
Definitely crazy out there. Now this storm is actually moving northwest and should be hitting Belize a bit later on today. And thank God it's kind of God save Roatan, and it could have been a lot worse. But high waters, probably some roofs lost, things like that. Other than that, just a lot of rain and a lot of wind. I'm TJ Lynch for Roatan.com.